2017 to 2019 Ford Fusion USB replacement. What's up, everybody? I'm in a 2017 Ford Fusion. I'm going to show you how to replace this USB port right here. This guy right here. First, we're going to need a plastic pry bar interior tool so we don't scratch nothing. You could use a flathead like this, but you probably will scratch up your center console. But what you want to do is come in from the side, the left side, and get in between the USB and the center console and push this in here and then kind of twist it and pull it. Once it pops out a little bit, put your finger in there to hold it so it doesn't go back in place, and then go to the other side and then do the same thing, pop it out. It's going to be a little stubborn, but it'll pop out if you try hard enough. And then once you get it out, you could gently pull the wire harness outwards a little bit. There's going to be 3 connectors. They all have a thumb tab in the middle. You push the thumb tab and then you pull the connector backwards with your other hand. Don't pull on the wires because you'll break the wires. They can be stubborn. This gray one has a little tab on the right side. You're going to push that tab down and then pull this connector backwards like that. And then the last one is the gray one right here. Push it down, same thing, and then pull it backwards. When you have 2 hands, it's a lot easier. But yeah, once you remove this, you could take it out and look at it. There's a part number on the side of it usually. This part number is this one right here. This was the one that came with the vehicle. Now you could go on eBay and get this exact part, but it's used, or you can go on Amazon and get an upgraded one, but you might need to upgrade your software. And then most people are upgrading to the newest dual charger one. There's a Reddit thread where someone said they were going to switch up to a USB-C. Someone had a 2017 Fusion and they put in a new part number and it worked. So anyways, whichever one you get, when you get this back together, we're going to plug in the gray connector first. There's a connector within a connector with that one, so you want to line it up perfectly and push it in place. And then we'll get our black one in place like that. And then our gray one should push in, make sure they're all good and secure. And then we're going to carefully put this back in place. Should snap in place, and that's it. So that's how you do it on this Ford Fusion. All right, guys, that's all the information I got for you. The rest of the video is just some products and other stuff I got going on. Totally up to you if you want to stick around. I got a 15% off Oxido.com promo code. Now, Oxido has a bunch of products, but what they're mostly known for is their really good aftermarket headlights. So if you got an older car, 80s, 90s, 2000s, even a newer car, if it has a bulb, they probably got an upgraded bulb for you. You may have seen aftermarket LED headlights on Amazon, but the thing, I'm not going to say any names, but the thing is they have a lot of issues. Sometimes they start to flicker after a few months, or they get hot and the LED burns off. Oxido headlights come with integrated fans and modules that control all that stuff. So these are plug and play, super easy to put in. These are available on Amazon. You can get them there. However, if you go to the website and use the promo code GuillermoAuto, you can get 15% off. It's really easy. All you got to do is go to the website on your phone or your computer and then put in what kind of car you have, what year, make and model, that stuff, and then it'll display to you all the available lights for your vehicle. You can get headlights, tail lights, interior lights. Highly recommend getting some good interior lights. You'll be surprised how bright it is. So just type Guillermo Auto in at the checkout and you'll get 15% off.
Pretty good.